Shabbat Sholom, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. We're going to begin page 188. Hinei MahTov u'manaim shevet achim gam yachad. How good and how wonderful it is that we all sit here together as friends.
We're going to try something new this morning. So we're going to do a little bit of a different melody, but if you just wait a little bit, it'll get more familiar. And yeah, just go with us. This morning's service is very special, as you probably know. We have two wonderful guests who you'll be hearing throughout the service. And we're going to try saying Hinei MahTov shevet kulanu yachad, which is a more gender-neutral version of it. So follow along. Hinei MahTov u'manaim shevet kulanu yachad. Hinei MahTov u'manaim shevet kulanu yachad. Hinei MahTov u'manaim shevet kulanu gam yachad. Hinei MahTov u'manaim shevet kulanu 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 yachad. Hinei MahTov, Hinei MahTov, ya la la ya la 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 la. Hinei MahTov, Hinei MahTov, ya la